little more modern vehicle, just in a unique, especially in classics. 2008 Cadillac Escalade, all-wheel drive sport utility vehicle. As you can see, onyx black, 6.2 liter underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, all your modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC. This particular one, grill insert has been installed, a little different chrome up front. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 125,000 on this one. I want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As far as the black paint, it does have some touch-up spots or little areas up here. It's been driven. It's one if you're looking for a sport utility vehicle, want to drive, all-wheel drive, here you go. Riding on the correct chrome Escalade wheels. Running boards. Did want to mention there is a little tab if you're familiar with these. Sometimes these handles, this handle does have a tab broke on the backside. It will still open it, but just got to be careful doing it. Cocoa and cashmere interior, black exterior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Need help with any of that? This would have third row seating, of course. Rear backup camera. Also has the power lift gate, and that is in working order. And you'll be able to see the third row, second row, all the rows of seating in the still pictures. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Close that up, push of a button. Okay, any questions? Want to talk to a sales consultant? 507-386-1726. Let's take a look at the second row. Seating area. So you have 7 passenger seating. This particular model does have the power sunroof. Going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take a little peek underneath the hood. There are a couple cracks in the dash. Seating areas. There's your exact miles, 125, 875. As you can hear, the radio does work. Driver's information center, dual electronic climate control, center console, of course, steering wheel controls. It's a little brown in the back, so you can hear this run. Guess it sounds as you'd expect. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open so we can at least take a peek at the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. There we go. Take a look underneath the hood. That hood liner, nice and clean. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven in a lot of inclement weather. And engine bay. Again, that's at 6.2 liter. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, puffer brakes, AC. Nice, clean, tidy engine compartment. 2008 Cadillac Escalade, 4-door sport utility. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 125,000. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2008 Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, there's a little bit of snow left in Minnesota, but the roads are mostly dry. And we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a good running Escalade. Odometer says 125,800 miles. Let's get her on the road and see how it feels. Good power for a big SUV. Our temperature is straight up on the gauge. Gas gauge shows full. Tachometer and speedometer reading accurately. It's a good ride. There's no bumps or shakes. We have a moonroof. Lots of Cadillac features. Let's go straight here and see if it holds. Yep. Doesn't pull left or right, so we got a good alignment job. Brakes work great. Paint cleaned up nice on this. It's a nice black. Interior kind of a cream and black. Check out this easy to drive, comfortable, nice Cadillac Escalade at uniqueclassiccars.com.